What's poppin', guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the perfect tool, the ultimate tool for video editors. If you guys are excited for this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new. I would say let's get started, obviously right after the intro. Okay guys, so I got approached by the producers of VideoProc. Now this program is actually key, which is going to be really useful for all of you video editors, content creators, doesn't matter which one it is. Alright guys, so as you can see right now, this is VideoProc, and this program actually can do multiple things. So it doesn't matter if you're a video editor, if you are a content creator in general, anything else, you can use this software. It's pretty obvious, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it. So as you can see right now, this is VideoProc, so this is what you will see once you pick it up. A link is in the description. This is basically what you will get. So right here we have the video processing button. So if you click that, we can actually convert files to a different format. Okay, so why is this useful for as a video editor? Well, let's say that you accidentally, that's probably not going to happen, but you never know, you exported the video of I don't know, like a really long project or just a general YouTube video to the wrong format. You have it in MPEG 2, but you wanted to have it in MP4. Well, it's really simple. You can convert that file without losing any quality, and you can just convert that from MPEG 2 to MP4 to XDCAM to any format that you want. So I'm going to just drag in a video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how that works. All right, so as you can see right now, I just dragged in a clip of an intro of mine, and this is basically what you will see. You will see everything else right here. You can add in even effects if you want to. But that's not what we're going to do. We're just going to leave it how it is because we just want to convert it, because adding effects in this software, you can do it, but I think we all assume that you would have added effects like brightness and contrast or color grading in the video editing process itself. But if you forgot it, you can also just add it in right here. So right now you can see this is the video. Now you can also crop it down, rotate it, you can subtitle it, you can cut it, watermark it, or add in effects. So what we can do right now is, if you want to go ahead and convert it, you can just choose right here, target format. You can choose the different formats. We have MP4, you can just also do this for iPhone, Android, MP4, even 4K, and you also have multiple options, as you can see, for like Apple devices, Huawei devices, Samsung, YouTube video, Facebook, Vimeo, general, DVD, HD video, Sony, Microsoft, and you can just choose your format. Now you just want to make sure that you select all the settings and you want to hit run. Now it is just going to basically convert it to the desired format, and that is basically a really helpful tool for you guys, for you video editors, that you obviously can check out. Now there's more, there's much more. So right here we also have the DVD function. So this says DVD conversion and backup. So this basically means that you can digitalize DVDs to MP4, AVI, multi-track. So let's say that you have a DVD disc and you want to have the files onto your computer. Just insert the DVD, use this software. It's really simple, and then you can just go ahead and, for example, right here, click into load DVD. Then you have to choose your drive where it is located, and then you can just real simple hit run, and then it will actually back up the DVD files on that disc onto your computer. Very helpful. But right here we landed to my favorite feature, which is the downloader. So it doesn't matter if you're a content creator and you want to back up your videos. Let's say that you're making videos that is kind of on the edge, kind of risky, and you want to just save your videos in case your channel might ever get in danger. You can just download your videos right here, real simple, by hitting downloader, and you can just copy and paste the URL. It doesn't have to be your own video. Let's say that you want to take audio from a video on YouTube. You can just download it and use the audio or only use the video, but make sure that you will have the rights to use the footage that you're downloading. Obviously, it is a really cool feature, guys. You can also just right here choose where to save your downloaded folder, and where you can also save where you want to download the audio that's in that video that you're downloading right here. Right here, you can just hit clear if you want to remove everything. You can add music if you want to, and you can also add video, and you can also click on clear completed tasks. That's just going to delete all the tasks that you did. So right now we will land on the last feature, which is the recorder. So let's say that you want to record your screen. All decent softwares to record your screen either have a watermark, or they have like huge files, like 10 gigabytes for a 2-minute video. You can also use this recorder one. So you can just click on right here, and then you can just basically pick your screen, your webcam if you want to, or your screen and your webcam at the same time. So right here we have two monitors, and you can just basically choose which one we want to use. So let's say that we're going to pick our screen. Right now it is going to record my screen. It is that awesome. You can switch back and forth between monitors, as you can see. Really cool. My webcam is not plugged in, so if I click on there is no webcam found, but it will just show up on your regular webcam. You can also just add in your webcam as well, but like I mentioned, my webcam is plugged out, so I cannot use that feature, but you guys know how it works. So guys, that's it for this video. I'm not going to show you guys more of this program because I want you guys to download it in the description and check it out yourself and see how amazing this software is. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks VideoProc for sponsoring this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video.